don't stay here.
What's your date of birth?
I got all my stuff.
I got you. What's your date of birth?
Like, wait,
relax.
Hold on.
What's your birthday?
I'm finna just go.
What's your birthday?
My birthday, I'm finna just get out his premises.
What is your birthday?
Why?
So I can know who you are real quick.
I'm saying, like, I don't have to.
What year
like,
were you born?
Like, I'm saying, like, I'm just finna go. Period.
What's your birthday?
I don't have to say.
Alright, go ahead and turn around for me. You got warrants.
What? What is you talking about?
Are you gonna tell me what your birthday is?
Yes, I'm gonna tell you my birthday.
What's your birthday?
My birthday is June 5th.
Of?
2007.
No, it's
The
not.
fuck? But Rob, I can't believe it.
Now, you come go take my house.
Why would you do this?
Why you gonna come in and take my house? You gonna come in and try to take my
Oh,
house?
bro, stop.
Stop.
Let go. What the fuck, bro?
You're not gonna pull.
Stop.
You're gonna stop. You're gonna stop pulling.
I promise you I'm not doing that.
You're gonna stop pulling.
I promise you I'm
You're gonna relax. You understand me?
Yeah.
Okay, now walk.
Oh my God.
Stop.
I hate to have to do it to you, but goddamn.
1081. You're gonna fucking stop.
Oh my God. No, y'all, please. No. Rob. Please. No. Y'all, please. Y'all, please. No.
Stop. Hold on. Stand up.
Y'all, please.
All right.
Rob. Why would you do this to me? Oh my God. Why, Rob? Y'all, please.
Hold on. I got it.
Y'all.
All right. Take a seat. Now you got more charges.
No.
You got my flashlight?
One of these.